Welcome back, y'all. I'm going to try to use up the rest of this cover sheet that I was working with. So I'm just going to cut it down in a few pieces. There will be a part 2 to this video, just to give you a heads up now, where I'll show what I do with the second piece. You're going to hear a little bit of our rainstorm happening in the background. We absolutely need the rain down here in Texas where I'm at. Okay, these are the two pieces that I ended up with. Just going to move the scraps out of the way. Have another scrap that I was working off of earlier. I'm going to use this to back this smaller piece. You are welcome to watch while I glue this on the wrong side and have to take it apart and put it on the other side. If you are very quick with Eileen's tacky glue, you can do this. That piece that you're seeing the white side of is cardstock, though. It is not thin paper. If it was thin paper, I wouldn't have been able to remove it. I'm going to trim around this piece. And then I'm going to ink around this piece with Vintage Photo. This is Distress Oxide. I purchased my inks and my applicators from Hobby Lobby. I have very limited amounts of places to shop for crafting supplies in my area. So I wait until there's a 40% off sale and I go get the crafting products that I want to use or that I run out of. That's one way that I build my stash up. I have this embellishment from the kit and I'm just going to cut this little bee out. I'm going to fussy cut around him and then I'll ink around him. Share my rainstorm with you guys. I'm also going to grab a scrap of one of the yellow sheets that I've been using and just tear off a piece to play with until I can decide how I want to decorate this little tag. Just going to glue him onto this sheet. Do some trimming until I'm happy with the size. Ink that up. Now I'm going to glue that onto the tag. Now it has a home in my journal. And this can be used as a tag or as a bookmark. Thanks for watching, y'all. Okay, part 2. This is the second piece that I cut out. And I did print this on thin paper, so I'm just going to back this onto some book page. Now I'll just trim around this. And then glue this down to a yellow sheet of memo paper. Trim around this piece again. Because it's still wet, I'm going to press those edges down really well and then ink around this piece. Okay, now I have a large journaling card. Now we'll find a spot in the journal to place it. Kind of like it here. Not sure I like the size there. Do kind of like it here. Nope, gonna put it here. Decisions. Wiggle it into place. I think that's where I want it. Nope. Changed my mind. I'm gonna slide it right here and then clip this envelope flapped closed over it with this paper clip. I hope you all are having a good evening. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.